Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter the Victorian way. First, you need fresh, unpasteurized cream, ideally from a cow. Let the cream ripen at room temperature for several hours, perhaps 6 to 12 hours. This crucial step develops a richer, more complex flavor and significantly helps the butterfat separate during churning. It's the foundation for truly authentic, delicious butter. Once your cream is perfectly ripened, it's time for the main event, churning. Carefully pour the cream into your butter churn. Then, begin churning with steady, vigorous movements. You'll notice the cream thickening, then suddenly, the butter fat will separate from the buttermilk. This usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes of continuous work, so be prepared for a good arm workout. After churning, you'll have a solid mass of butter and liquid buttermilk. Carefully drain off the buttermilk, saving it for baking if you wish. Now, it's critical to wash the butter thoroughly. Rinse it repeatedly with very cold water, kneading and pressing out any remaining buttermilk. This step, often done with a wooden paddle, ensures your butter won't spoil quickly and will have a lovely, smooth texture. Finally, it's time to season and shape your homemade butter. For every pound of butter, add about 1 teaspoon of fine salt, working it in thoroughly with your paddle. This not only enhances the flavor, but also acts as a natural preservative. Once salted, press your beautiful butter into decorative molds or simply shape it into convenient blocks. Your authentic Victorian butter is now ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.